You know you want that. You need to make that. Make that burger. We are grinding meat. We're making hamburgers for lunch. We grind our own meat. What I have here is some bacon, some tenderloin. When we do it together, we add the bacon in with the tenderloin because who doesn't like bacon? We're gonna turn on. It's gonna get kind of noisy, so we're gonna turn it on and we're gonna grind some meat, and you can watch how this works. You can grind all kinds of stuff: cheese, meat, evidence. What is going on?
All right, so this is the product of our ground meat. You probably have about a 70-30 ratio here, and that's about right for a flavorful meat, flavorful patty. But to make up for that, you don't make your patties very big. These are probably going to end up being about 1/3 of a pound, maybe a 1/4 of a pound by the time they cook down. So remember, there's fat in here from the bacon that's going to cook down on the grill, so keep that in mind. And that was about a pound of meat, and we got 5 nice hamburger patties out of that, which is perfect for our family of 5. And you know how to make burgers. Just tighten your ball, put it down. We like our burger patties, pretty thin. And keep in mind, this is going to shrink down when it goes on the grill because the fat content in the bacon.
And that's gonna hold together. No egg, no breadcrumbs, no binder.
Nothing, just holds together. You just gotta make sure that your meat, when you make your patty, you just work your meat so that it stays together. It's,
Yeah, they do look really good.
You can see what's going on here. Burgers are on like medium high as far as where the heat is on the grill, and give this a couple minutes, give them a turn, put some cheese on them, we'll be good to go. Alright, you can see we're almost ready to flip. See where we're at. You can see cheese now melting nicely. Put the buns up there so they get a little toast on them. Which we got American there and some cheddar there. So we're going to close this, give that cheese a little bit of time to melt. Obviously the American is going to melt quicker than the cheddar, which is fine. The cheddar is mine. So we're about ready. And we start a little bit of mayonnaise, just a hint of some Dijon mustard, a couple of rings of onion, this fresh tomato right here, yeah, just a pinch, kosher salt, nice baby arugula, just for a little bit more crunch, and that peppery flavor that arugula has. Awesome, creamy, ripe avocado. So that's it, the bacon cheddar burger. And now, so the creamy avocado is good. The arugula, just a little bit of pepper from that and a crunch. Awesome, little crunch from the onion. It's really good. The sweet tomato, the burger, the meatiness of that tenderloin, plus the added little pop of bacon makes it perfect. The potato bun, just light. Look at that burger. You know you want that. You need to make that. Make that burger.